Modification of a display cabinet is done as of tonight. Um, Burgundy logo by for Indian on this display cabinet, pecan in color. I modified it from 36 inches wide to 22 inches, keeping the 72-inch long depth. Original mount for the display fender is up there. This was wired for a 12 volt for the system, so the wiring harness I put aside so that I could wire that for 110. Blue bulb is all I had, but this was a full panel. The hole wasn't there for shelves, and I cut both this side and the opposite side an area for two shelves matching the same color as the front. So I give a nice little contrast for looking from the side. This is going to be a sofa table instead of an 18-inch deep shelf. This is now 6 inches. Four casters underneath that they didn't have, and a spot for securing the extension cord if it's not being used.